Hi, today we're at the PPMA on the Markem-Imaje stand, and I'd like to actually announce that we've won the Innovation Award for our eTouch-S applicator.
We're very proud of the eTouch-S applicator, and it's very nice for it to be recognised by others. Very proud given the competition that we're up against, and no, it's a great accolade for the team and for the company. I think we've really captured some great innovations that really provide the customer with what he's looking for. It's simpler, smarter and safer in terms of its capabilities, and I think it's a really nicely packaged machine.
Which actually for us shouldn't be a surprise, because the amount of innovation and technology that's actually gone into this product is phenomenal. So firstly, I'd like to thank the PPMA team for the award, but obviously I'd like to thank the team behind the development as well to be able to bring this product to market.
We need to recognise the whole team. The whole team has worked incredibly well together. There's been a lot of challenges to overcome along the way. That's natural with new technology, new learnings, new things to overcome. So they've really pulled together to creatively solve problems. You know, we've been through the COVID pandemic whilst we were developing this thing. So it's been a real journey, and it's great to be here tonight and to recognise the whole team and what they've contributed.